open.
He's not gonna let you anywhere near it, Daddy.
In there.
What's in there, hon?
What's that?
The snowman.
The snowman. I don't think the snowman can fit in a
Snowman
box.
wrapper.
Daddy, maybe you should help him. There you go.
In there.
What is that?
The snowman.
What is that?
Table. The teenager.
The queen and meter? Oh, there's sheets. Look, there's McQueen.
Not open.
We'll have to put those on your bed.
Yeah.
Good job.
On my bed.
Oh, yeah.
Flip it over. Turn it over, Kyle. Who's that?
Teenager.
Yeah, Queen and Mater.
Teenager.
Yeah.
I open.
Let's open it.